Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner represent the pinnacle of modern aviation design. From the days of the World War II cockpit filled with analog dials to today advanced glass cockpit, the evolution of the flight deck has transformed the way pilots interact with their aircraft. In this documentary, we explore the flight instrument and electronic system that make the 787-10 one of the most advanced wide-body aircraft in the skies.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to everyone. My name is Nur Aiman Farish bin Nur Hisham and my matrix number 24 EAM 25F1048 and I'm from Dam 2A.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Afiq Aziz bin Makmal Juni. My matrix number is 24 Dam 25F1097 and I'm from Dam 2A.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Harith bin Muhammad Zaizah. My matrix number is 24 AM 35 1106 and yeah, I'm from the same class which is Dam 2A.
When you step into the cockpit of 787-10, the first thing that you notice are the 5 flash display, LCD display, and this will replace the traditional analog gauge that found in older aircraft like the Boeing 737 Classic. So first one, we have the primary flight display that located directly in front of the pilot. So this display will show essential information like speed, altitude, attitude, and also heading all in one place. Next to it, we have the navigation display that provide route maps, weather radar, and traffic awareness. So this integration is what we call a glass cockpit. Instead of scanning dozens of separate dials, the pilot now have centralized and digital information that improve clarity and reduce their workload.
One of the most critical systems in the 787 is the engine indication and crew alert system, or ICAS. It is continuously monitor the engine, fuel, hydraulic, and electrical system. If something goes wrong, it immediately alert the crew with both visual and audio signal. Right in the center of the cockpit, you will also find the integrated standby flight display. This acts as a backup instrument showing basic flight data like speed and altitude. If the main display fails, together, this system integrate with the aircraft fly-by-wire technologies, meaning the control are electronic rather than mechanical. This makes the aircraft more responsive, safer, and easier to manage.
The 787 also introduced advanced tool for situation awareness. The head-up display, or as known as HUD, projects critical flight data directly onto the pilot's forward view. This means during landing, pilot can see speed, altitude, and guidance cues without ever looking down at the panel. Another innovation is electronic flight bag or EFB. This is essentially a digital tablet integrated into the cockpit, replacing paper charts and manuals. Pilots can access navigation charts, performance data, and fuel calculation instantly. This technology classified as navigation aids and situation awareness tools, and they highlight how modern cockpits are moving towards fully digital and paperless operation.
The Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner demonstrates how the cockpit design has come from analog dials to digital glass cockpit, from mechanical control to fly-by-wire system. Every innovation has been aimed to improving safety, efficiency, and pilot awareness. The Dreamliner is not just an aircraft. It is a symbol of how technology continues to shape the future of aviation.